Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I want to teach you to make this beautiful spray in this video. It's called an antidepressant room spray, and it's just for uplifting, for just warming up your mood. And if you're feeling stressed, if you've had a hard day at the end of the day and you come home and you're just going to hang out for the evening, you can spray this spray and I guarantee you it will be so uplifting. It's a beautiful aroma. It's a combination of Ylang Ylang, orange, and lime. It's so beautiful. So Ylang Ylang, if you're not familiar, is a gorgeous huge tree that grows in tropical climates, and I actually have one in my front yard in full bloom right now, and it is just so diffusive. The aroma of the flowers is amazing, and the essential oil just as beautiful. So we're going to put 5 drops into this spray bottle, and I filled this spray bottle. It's 2 ounces. It's a beautiful frosted bottle. I've been really into these frosted bottles lately, so I've been using them a lot. They're really fun. So I filled it with water, and I used filtered water, or distilled water is fine too. And I'm going to put 5 drops of the Ylang Ylang in there. I can already smell it. It's so pretty. So we'll put 5 drops in. 4, 5. Okay, good. I'm just going to put this down and close this. And then I'm going to put 10 drops of orange because it's just not nearly as strong as the Ylang Ylang. So putting in 10 drops to 5 is a perfect balance. So you can still smell both oils in the spray that way. That way the Ylang Ylang won't dominate completely. Okay, so we'll have 10 drops. 5, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And I don't know if you could see that, but it's a really pretty orange when it comes out. I love that. And then we're just going to put in a little burst of lime. This is a distilled lime, and it's 2 drops in this recipe. And that's enough. I mean, you can always add more. I love it. Okay, 2 drops, and so there it comes, 1, 2, 3, look at that. All right, we're adding more. 3 drops in, but that's okay because it's really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I might have to change the recipe to 3 drops. That's perfect. Okay, so then we're just gonna go ahead and give it a shake because the oils and the water, they won't mix. So before you use it each time, just shake it up, and then you can spray it around the room and you'll completely change the whole atmosphere. I hope you enjoy it.